Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video on Nigerianreacts. As you can see in the subtitle below, you know what's about to go down. I told you guys now. Odunsi, like, risk, like, listen. I mean, I want to react to it already, like, I don't know what's up. Okay. That's really bad. Crazy jam. That kind of 90s. Like, it's something like Afro jazz. That kind of, you know, when you go to that 90s party kind of vibe. Hold on, let's go back. Like, you see, I just entered the music. You don't even waste time. Mobolaji, let's what did he say? Sorry, one more time. I'm trying to explain to you guys. For you people that don't get it. Man, nice video, honestly, like, nice video. Where did you shoot this video, broski? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know this song here wants to have like this kind of no days off, penny kind of vibe. Am I lying or am I tripping? Which one? Oh, it's not hotel, broskies, OT, but like beautiful women's in this video, man. Beautiful, like gorgeous, too gorgeous. That's the end. OT. Man, I like OT, man. Honestly, I like OT. I like OT, but like honest reaction. But man, I mean, bro, I don't think there's any bad song, bro. All songs are good though. Honestly. All songs are good, but like, bro, 8.5. 8.5 is a good one. Still though, like 8.5 is a good one, man. Big up Odunsi, man. So man, you guys know what's up. You know what to do. Like, leave a comment. Subscribe if you're new. Share with your friends and family. And broski, we gone, man. Like, off that shit, bro. Stop recording. Stop, man. Stop it. We gone.